Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Very important video right here. We're going to talk about Cardano, ADA, as well as a little bit of Bitcoin, because right now, as institutional exposure continues to amount due to what we're seeing with Grayscale unveiling their crypto indices, this is going to be something very important for the future. Okay, I'm going to tie it all in together with what has basically happened in the past with Bitcoin and that representation from their indices. But guys, this is going to be something that could absolutely shake the charts as we talk about Cardano. So you're going to want to stick around. Remember to smash that like button and subscribe down below if you have not yet done so. But guys, before we get down into it, remember, this is not financial advice. So please do your own homework and due diligence with all things crypto and financial. But we're going to show you right here what's exactly happening on the charts. You can look at ADA, essentially just a tick below 30 cents right here at the time of this recording, as well as rounding out that 8-hole in total market cap, okay? But Bitcoin, what an outstanding day, up almost 8%, okay? On the month, 27.4% up on the month. And guys, if you look back into the start of the year, 66.8% gainer. So obviously for a lot of the FUD that's been in the market, there has been definitely some maneuvers that could be made and some trades to be had when you look at how to be profitable within crypto in this intermediate term as we navigate through this bear market. But let's talk about what I came here to tell you guys. And this is essentially going to talk about what I'm sharing with you on these indices that are coming about. Now, what is important to note, this is basically going to be operated under the FTSE Grayscale Crypto Sector Index Series, okay? And that's otherwise going to be basically coming out from Grayscale, which obviously, for those of you that do not know, is a giant of basically asset management. Now, they are going to cater more so to the institutional side of the game, but now essentially with 5 new crypto sector indices, and one being very Cardano-centric, is going to be something that could absolutely shake the charts. Now, what I want to tell you about this is it's important to note that basically within Cardano, the impact that could be seen could be relatively correlating with what we saw basically with Ethereum. Now, within that Ethereum smart contract fund, that is where you see Cardano having a 24% of that weighted average. Now, accompanying that weight, that proportionality, right? This is where you're going to see the institutional side of the game start to really flow back into crypto. We see it gearing up with the Bitcoin spot ETF, and now so this is what we are seeing more so in other cryptos, not just Bitcoin, not just Cardano. This is where we're seeing basically a lot of institutional players, a lot of hedge funds, a lot of sector indexes, such as what we are seeing basically with Grayscale flying back into crypto, because obviously people are betting on the bear market to end. We all talk about the Bitcoin halving right in 2024, as well as what we're going to have politically if there was a change in regime. Now, that's something where you're going to see a lot of changes in the next coming year or two. And despite crypto being known for being volatile, in that set of circumstances, that could be one of the most volatile periods It's important to note that it's not necessarily a negative volatility, right? Volatility could be very positive. You could see absolute explosion on the charts, but more so within Cardano, this could be exactly what we are looking for in terms of a catapult into the green. It's something that could absolutely launch Cardano even higher, and it's very, very exciting because what we are seeing, despite what we want to see, I think personally, if I had my say, we would go back in time and leave the institutional side of the crypto game out of the equation, go back to where we were just absolutely on a tear in 2021. And it's kind of what's being said hand over fist, right, guys? It goes back to the fact that when we saw the crypto crash, right, when we had all the fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the markets, a lot of people were just stating that the institutional side of crypto was just exiting their positions, hedging against losses, and running for the hills, okay? And now so when we see an opportunity, when they see an opportunity institutionally, this is where the players are starting to come back into crypto and bet on the future. So very, very important, very exciting stuff coming about from Grayscale. We're going to have our eyes locked on this crypto indice within Grayscale's in this launch. It's going to be very fascinating to watch. So we'll have updates and content along the way. But remember, guys, if you have not yet subscribed down below, please absolutely do so to stay locked at Not Your Father's Capital, as well as up to date with what's going on in the crypto world. But that's what I got for you in this video, and we'll see you all in the next one. Thanks, guys.